Hello guys, welcome back to Mini Shorts. I've just been doing a little bit of the fitment of the floor, second half of the floor. On this side we've got the quarter panel off, so giving us a bit more opportunity to line things up. That's really important because of the subframe going on, making sure that the width between the two subframe mounts on the heel board is exactly right. So what we've done is we've measured the subframe, and that is exactly 1282, which is the measurement it's meant to be. And then what we've done is we've bolted the subframe on with the heel, the back of this side of the heel board, still unwelded. So now we've put some Tech screws in here and here to hold this, and another Tech screw down there to hold that in relation to that. So everything's held in relation to each other, and the subframe is bolted in on both sets of trunnions, so we know that that's all correct. And what I've also done is just screwed the companion bin closing panel together using the Tech Pro screws in here, and we've got all the clamps on, making sure everything's all in the right place, and test fitted the quarter panel with that all like that, and it all fits reasonably well. So I just wanted to show you how I've got it all clamped up. Hopefully there's enough light, and where I've put the screws into all the panels, and there is actually one more screw in there into the heel board, which is making sure that that piece of heel board stays in the right place as well. Right, just showing you, we've been in prep, so all the orange weld through all along here, if I haven't shown you that before. Trimmed off the last of the quarter panel, so it will make with that join there and that join there. Prepping of these panels also be welded on the floor, so we got the weld through and the etch. Prepping of the floor, under where it will go under the cross member. Going to put the paint on here, taking all the paint off top edge, rear edge, inside and out, and arch and bottom, inside and out as best I can for now. So that needs painting, and then plug welds will be done on here. Right, we've got 4 on there and 4 on that side there, so that one's not going anywhere. It's got the welds on the inside there, and then down at this end access is not quite as good, but managed to get 3 on. Realistically they're never going to get used for their original purpose, but you know, just in case they give us any strength between the inner and the outer seal here, stop things flexing, thought it was worth putting them in. Right, next job is just going to whip that panel off there, and then we'll be spot welding. We'll be spot welding here, this inner seal to the strengthener. So I don't know if you saw that, because of the long arms, I was able to swing it over here and then come in at this angle. So a combination of the long arms and the angle on there gives me a lot more access. Just got a bit lucky with this second hand spot welder and the arms that it came with. I was looking for one with longer arms, and this combination just seems to work out really well. Plus, pointed out these ends before where we've actually ground them slightly thinner to help get onto some of these small edges that the Mini has. So what I've done is I've just slathered Waxol all down in here, in this area. The reason why I've done that first is because when that panel's on there, it's really hard to get it underneath there. So when it was in position, I've marked around it and I'm just drilling some holes. They'll be bigger than this, just some pilot holes to start with, where the plug welds are going to be. And then also we need to drill probably 4 holes in the back here, and also we'll be drilling some more holes in this panel along the flanges, all for the plug welds. So I'm just using my drill here and putting the little pilot holes between the 2 lines that I drew when it was in place. So now I'm going to expand those ones and also drill some more in the back there. So here we are, just putting these holes out to 6mm. I've gone for the plug welds.